principle. Now, this is something which all of you are definitely very familiar with. As you know, uncertainty principle is one of the cornerstones of quantum mechanics. And in one dimension, the position momentum uncertainty principle takes this rather well-known form. Delta x times delta p, the variance in x times the uncertainty in the momentum, the product exceeds h cross by 2. Note that this is an inequality. It doesn't say how much bigger than h cross by 2 this product can be, but it does say that the product of the two uncertainties in these two conjugate variables cannot be less than h cross by 2. The question that we have naturally at this stage is, can we actually achieve this lower bound? That is, can we get to h cross by 2? And I'm pretty sure many of you know the answer, at least partially. You know that the ground state for a harmonic oscillator does have the correct uncertainty bound. That is, if a particle is in the ground state of a harmonic oscillator, then its uncertainty product for position and momentum is exactly equal to h cross by 2. But are there other possibilities, more general ones? And can you, in a certain sense, do better? Of course, we will explain what that sense is later on.